Bryan versus Koch involved a financially struggling New York City's decision to close a Harlem hospital and the resulting accusations of racial discrimination. Mayor Edward Koch appointed a task force to develop ways to reduce healthcare costs while still providing necessary health services. The task force assessed the city's 17 municipal hospitals based on 4 criteria: size and extent of usage, patient access to alternative facilities, quality of plant, and fiscal performance. It identified several hospitals that were deficient in various ways and recommended that they be closed. One of these was Sydenham Hospital in central Harlem. Sydenham had been built in 1925 and desperately needed renovation. It had a high operating deficit and was the smallest of the city's acute care hospitals, serving only about 160 patients a day. Sydenham was located near another municipal hospital and several voluntary hospitals. However, Sydenham served a population that was 98% Black and Hispanic. At least 1/3 of its patients had no insurance of any kind. A group of city residents, including David Bryan, sued the city. They alleged that the plan to close Sydenham violated Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. They asked for a preliminary injunction, while the Department of Health and Human Services completed an investigation. The district judge found no evidence that the decision to close Sydenham was racially motivated or that it would adversely impact patient care. He held that the city had adequately justified its decision and denied the injunction. Bryan's group appealed to the Second Circuit. They argued that the proper test for a Title VI claim was whether the effect of the action produced a disproportionate burden on racial minorities, not whether the city was intentionally discriminating. They also argued that the city's justifications for closing Sydenham weren't sufficient to satisfy Title VI, because the city hadn't considered alternative ways to achieve comparable savings.